Do you know that not only can you create images with Canva, but there's a scheduler? Let me show you in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Now, I will have to mention first off that the scheduling is only available with a paid Canva account, not the free account. But as I've got one, let me show you anyway. So here I am in Canva. I've selected a range of images and you will have seen them. They're all of my social media scheduling list. So one of them will be the one for today's video. And you can see that what I've actually got, let's just move me out the way, is the option of share in the top right hand corner. Now, remember, unlike some of the other scheduling apps that you will have seen this week, uh, this one you can only schedule with an image, so you can't do text only. So I'm going to choose my first one because it's there. I'm going to click schedule. Sorry, I'm going to click share. And because this is one that I've already started using, you can see that as I scroll down, I'm going to move me out of the way again. You can see that I've actually got a couple of accounts already pre-connected. So if the one that you want to use is there, you can see I've got my LinkedIn profile and my Facebook page, then great. If not, I've got share on social. I simply need to click there and choose whatever one I want. Now, if I haven't already connected that to my account on that particular social media platform, it's going to ask me to do that, and you will be asked to refresh the connections every so often. But let's choose Facebook page. It's picked that up. Now, because Facebook and LinkedIn, for example, which are the two main platforms that I use this with, actually let you have multiple images. I think it's up to about 9 per post. It has automatically selected, in this case, all of my images. I don't want them all, and you can't always sadly use untick all pages. And I can simply tick the one that I want and click done. Type something in, whatever you want. Obviously, make that a little bit more useful. But here at the bottom, you can see I've got schedule to publish later, and that's the one that I want to use. As I click there, it opens up another screen. I choose the date from the calendar and I choose the time simply by clicking and typing in whatever time I want. You can see it's actually British summertime. So it is actually choosing your the right one. I can't change that because it's the one that's set up for my account. And I just need to click done, which has selected that date and that time. It shows that it's there by displaying it on the screen. I can click in there and change it if it's the wrong one. But when I'm ready, all I need to do is now click schedule, and that prepares the design. And here's the small little catch with Canva is I can now sit in the content planner, which I'll go to in just a moment. But as I close that, you'll notice because I've scheduled for that quote project, it actually says if I edit it now, it actually won't schedule it. It'll be paused. So remember, it's basically one per project file, not lots and lots, which for me is a bit of a pain because I like to keep all of my images that are similar together in a single project. So this actually only lets me do one at a time. So when I've done that, what I usually do, to be honest, is I actually close that down, but I can't because my toolbar is in the way. And what I'm going to do is click over, and now under apps, I've got content planner, and you can see based on the one that I've chosen, there it is, and I can edit that if I need to. But to actually schedule it, that's all I need to do is create the design and then use for the paid account the built-in scheduling option. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to be notified as more videos become available, remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. See you in the next video.